Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Sharing across profiles is a feature that lets you cross-post content like Reels, posts, and sometimes stories to other Instagram accounts that are connected to the same Meta account. Instead of switching between accounts and uploading the same video or image multiple times, this feature enables you to share the content once, and it gets posted to all selected accounts instantly. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. The sharing across profiles feature is rolled out gradually, so updates matter. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Account Center. Then tap on Sharing Across Profile, and tap Get Started. Two options will appear: Add Facebook account or Add Instagram account. Select the second option, which is Add Instagram account. Tap on it, then select Continue. Log in to your second Instagram account, enter your email, username or phone number, and your password. Then tap Log in. You can save the password by pressing Save Password, or you can also skip it by selecting Not Now. Then tap on Confirm Account and click Continue. Then select your birth date for your account, tap Continue, and last tap Allow, and finish adding. That's it. Your accounts are now linked, and content can be shared across them automatically. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.